What's going on with y'all boys? Boom. We lost this trade right here on NQ. Let me recap it for y'all, and I'll go over ES price action as well. Boom. As market opened, we had already took out this London high. This high was formed after New York session opened, so it's not the London high. But we came in, we took out the London high pre-market. Boom. We tried to get over this 1 hour bearish for value gap, but we did not. We got reactions out of it coming all the way down, sweeping out this 15-minute low, filling in this 1 hour bullish for value gap, which we ended up getting reactions out of. We came down a little bit, filled in this 1 minute bullish for value gap. We finally invalidated the 1 hour bearish for value gap right here, which is what I was really looking for to take this long right here. On top of it, the reason that I had a bullish bias for the day was because we swept out Asia high, but we never got a real reaction out of it. And when we swept out the Asia low, we got a bullish reaction out of it. Both of those put together gave me a bullish bias for the day. So we came into this 1 hour bullish value gap, boom, boom, boom. Invalidated this 1 hour bearish value gap. I entered off of this candle right here for a 1 to 1.7 ratio. I set my stops below this for value gap right here. All right, something like it was like this really. But that was because I set my stop loss there because if price was gonna make a reaction off of anything, it would be this 1 minute bullish for value gap. That is what aligned with my bias for the day. So that's where I put my stops for the day. Wasn't enough, man. We come out, boom, go all the way down. And then it seems like we're getting a reaction towards the upside right now. Our first take profit just got hit. Second take profit, we are something like 19 ticks away. So it's a good trade. I think it was a good trade because it aligned with my bias. I waited for all my confirmation. The only thing that we really didn't get was a liquidity sweep. But as usual, in my opinion, this is how I trade. When price is already in a trend that's moving up, if we're getting reactions off of fair value gaps and equilibrium and things of the sort, I think that you don't really necessarily have to wait for a liquidity sweep, because liquidity sweeps tend in my what's it called? In my experience, liquidity sweeps tend to happen either right before market opens or right when market opens. As you can see, we come down, we take all this low level of liquidity out, right? While filling in this 1 hour bullish for value gap. Boom. And we're just going up and up and up. So I don't have to wait for a second liquidity sweep. I mean, I guess I should have, because if I waited for this liquidity sweep right here, and then I don't know where I would have took it. Maybe this right here would have been a better trade right here. Take it off of this reaction to this 1 minute bullish value gap. Set my stops here. But like 1 to 6.333 is kind of crazy. I would have probably taken this just to be safe. This would have been a better trade. I didn't take it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not a liar. I tell y'all the trades that I took. ES. Again, I never really trade ES because the price action is just never good, right? Boom. Also at 9 a.m. we had Trump, Russia, NATO announcement, but that really didn't do anything. As you can see, we had a French bank holiday, but again, neither of those really did anything. If you go to the 9 a.m. candle right here, it's like nothing special, right? But I had a bullish bias here as well because we swept out the Asia high with no reaction. As you can see, we just continued to move in the same trend. We swept out the Asia low and we got a bullish reaction. So both of those put together, I'm thinking I'm going bullish for the day, right? I'm taking longs. But I did want to see this 15-minute bearish value gap invalidated and try to play that to this 4 hour high, which never ended up happening because ES just it just moves a little wonky. I don't really like it. NQ, I like NQ. As you can see, our take profit just got hit. We lost. Is what it is. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be trading the entire week. I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm probably not even going to touch the charts. Wednesday, maybe. Thursday, I'll definitely trade. Friday, I'll definitely trade. But catch y'all later, boys.